She cheated.
You're weak.
Zonnie wins. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Yeah, come on.
All right, Dad's about to race now. He's coming out.
You don't know me.
He's coming out.
Yeah. All the way to pull it back.
Oh, let's see. It's to the pole and back.
Go.
Touch the pole and back. He gives her a head start. Come on, Zonnie! Come on, Zonnie! And she lost.
I still won the first time.